Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi guys, gals, and non-binary pals. I'm Beka Haze, and this is Makeup with Your Mental Health, where I'm a normal person that talks to you like a normal person. And today, we're going to be talking about my Kickstarter. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Beka Haze. I'm a single mom from Edmonton, Alberta, and I've been doing this is only my second video now, but I've been practicing and building up inventory and supplies as best as I'm able to be able to bring you this channel. Mental wellness is an acceptable and unproblematic thing to talk about today in our 21st century. We know not everybody is ready to talk. We know not everybody is ready to do makeup, but we are ready to start trying, and that's what's important. Why is it still a problem to admit that you might be having problems? That's what we're going to be here to demystify and unstigmatize at Makeup with Your Mental Health. Now, I am not a professional makeup artist or therapist. I am a regular person that has regular experience to both area. I have lived personal experience for doing my makeup in many different varieties and forms, but I have personal experience with mental wellness and having to get better, but I had to do it alone, and I don't want you to be alone anymore. So why am I coming to you? Well, variety of reasons why. With Kickstarter, I'm able to ask those fans and supporters that I have for the ability to create this channel into a much higher and better quality, because as you can see, it's not there yet. I film this entire channel and every single video on my cell phone with a ring light and Dollarama sheets. These lights are also from Dollarama. So altogether, how much am I looking for? I'm looking at about $3,000 to be able to buy new makeup, since most of this stuff is expired, and that's not very safe for my skin or for my viewers to see me replicating that kind of behavior. A new computer, well, a used computer, new to me. Camera, a new chair, since I am in a lot of pain working in this chair. Lighting, as I use a ring light at this moment, and I want to be able to make merchandise for my fans and supporters, especially for those that are going to be going out for the rewards on this Kickstarter. So onto the topic of rewards, what are you going to get if you help my cause? You're going to get, for $1, a shout out in the beginning and ending of every video that I produce. For $5, you're going to receive a free pin with the merchandise that I'm going to be able to make, with catchphrases and logos that I'm going to be using in my videos. For $25, you're going to receive a free signed t-shirt with, again, the same copyrighted logos, catchphrases, anything that the fans want me to make merch of. For $50, you're going to have an Instagram takeover for an entire day on my public Instagram, Beka Creations. And what is a public Instagram takeover? It means that you get to take over my stories and answer any questions that the fans may have, and also post anything that you want on it. The grand slam prize of $100 donation, your reward, is going to be a free guest spot on my show where I'm going to do your makeup and I'm going to interview you. How's that sound? So if you're the type of person that likes those kind of rewards, you are more than happy and more than welcome to donate. Now, as always, there's risks to every investment. So what's the takeaway and risk of making a YouTube channel? Well, there's always the risk that I'm not going to do it successfully. You are trusting your investment into me, bring you quality programming and quality content where you get to learn new makeup skills, and you also get to learn about your mental wellness and those that you love and support. When we enjoy the arts, when we consume the arts, somebody always has to be the one to create it. So I'm trusting you to invest in me to supply those arts. Now, why are we gonna be able to have a Kickstarter instead of a GoFundMe or an Indiegogo? Because with Kickstarter, I'm able to get all of the money only if we make it to the 100% campaign want. That means you are going to get your money back if we do not hit the 100% goal. But if we do, then that means that you're trusting me and investing in me to bring you the quality content that you want to see on YouTube. And now let the tackiness overflow you with tacky glue for our lashes and a tacky host for your content. Now, we only have a limited amount of time to be able to get this Kickstarter finished, so I'm hoping for you to share, like, comment, and bring attention to my video and my Kickstarter, which the link will be in the description box down below. And I also want to be able to say thank you to the bottom of my heart. Thank you to everybody that's been watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing my video, my very first video. Let's see us get to even greater heights, right? And once again, thank you for being who you are, because you are the greatest you're able to be. I'm Beka Haze, and this is Makeup with Your Mental Health.